Be prepared and fasten your seatbelt. People, buckle up, because we're going to delve into the world of Tesla stocks. In spite of the stock's recent surge, which saw prices drop to below 180, we're not letting that stop us from diving right in. You may be wondering why, so hold on to your seat as we examine the lunacy behind a stock that is hitting new sales records, but down 60% in price. Don't worry though, we have a secret weapon. A crystal ball that predicts Tesla's future dominance. That's right, we're talking about Tesla surpassing Apple as the most valuable company in the world. And the best part, we have 8 reasons to support our claims. Let's examine the stock in more detail. The number of vehicles purchased has reached a new record high, marking a significant milestone in the industry. The stock price, as we mentioned, was down a few weeks ago, 60 despite the company's record revenues. How can that make any sense? We're not sure, but that's what a bear market is for. That's also why I'm so thrilled and certain that Tesla stock will become dominant in the market over the next 5 to 10 years. And believe it or not, I predict Tesla will overtake Apple as the most valuable business in the world before the end of this decade with an average selling price of $45,000. The stock has risen dramatically from its January 3rd low of $108 to its highest point of $177 as of this writing. But enough about fleeting images. In 5 to 10 years, what do you think will have happened that will make Tesla more valuable than Apple? In my opinion, 2023 will see a doubling of profits above 2022 levels. With 2.2 million cars sold, Tesla stands to make $25 billion in net profits in 2023 from the sale of 4.5 million vehicles. In a moment, we'll talk about EV credits, the most likely offender for most of you assuming that it's over $50,000. If the economic downturn continues until 2023, your profit will be $25 billion after adding 45 pay. By late 2023, Cybertrucks will be driving across the country. People learned about the card by seeing it on the road, test driving it, and sitting in it to experience what it's like to sit in a Cybertruck and how it's used personally. I predict that we'll see a spike in orders similar to what we saw when the sexy models were released. After learning how practical and easy it was to use, people will place massive orders after realizing how easy it was to use. It seems sense that potential buyers would want to customize their purchases, which range from $50,000 to $60,000, which is excellent news for Tesla, as it suggests higher average sales pricing. Next, take into account that we are extremely close to the next curve, which, if true, would represent a significant advancement in terms of speed. However, I expected more setbacks until the middle, if not the end, of 2023, at which point the AI would have had enough time to learn and make a few blunders. Enjoy some revolutionary miniclip gains. Here, watch similar films on YouTube. Even though there isn't much to do, while traveling on the way to and from work at the moment, completely autonomous driving is shortly to arrive, and excited Tesla investors can rejoice over a significant win thanks to this innovation. Tesla is going to be very wealthy. Driving in the next 5 to 10 years will look completely different. Turn on the GPS and get in the car. Another reason is that the future of transportation lies in putting it in the system and having the automobile drive itself, which is why I'm looking forward to Tesla's announcement of a new Gigafactory. I suppose this was the next curve before the FSC was issued, which would be excellent if it happens any time in the next year or the year after that. Therefore, I have good reason to be hopeful assuming it receives regulatory clearance. The company's growth demonstrates its commitment to satisfying customer demands and reaching its 2030 target of 20 million automobiles produced. Even though I disagree with China's policies and geopolitical ambitions, I think it's important that they have disclosed the Gigafactory's location outside of China. I think Canada is a good option, but another location in Asia outside of China will work too. We're not sure Brazil is the right fit, but it has a good chance. The upcoming announcement of the new Gigafactory has me more excited than ever about Tesla. The Gigafactory in Africa will probably be in Canada, the UK, or somewhere in Europe. The energy and battery segment of Tesla's company is substantially undervalued in the third quarter of 2018, with energy and batteries perhaps sitting around 0.6 on the FIS curve. We've hit billions this year, which puts a significant dent in a good kind of debt, but eventually Tesla will hit volumes with their energy and batteries like we've never seen them before. To be honest, I don't even know if I can't even guess. So I think I need to add energy and adjust my Tesla stock prediction model. In contrast to the 700 billion, 800 billion, or 1 trillion that will be in circulation by then. Tesla has previously announced that it will perform a buyback in the range of 5 billion to 10 billion in 2023. This is a relatively small amount of money, but it shows that we have confidence in our future and are eager to participate in it by acquiring our stock. There is also strong evidence that they will continue making enormous strides in light of these setbacks. Let's summarize the topics we covered today in 3 points. The firm's ambition to create 20 million vehicles by the end of the decade, or possibly a few years later, seems much more possible, don't you think? First, thanks to its strong brand reputation and innovative business strategy, Tesla has established itself as a leader in sustainable energy and transportation. The company's electric vehicles have become widely recognized and popular, establishing Tesla as a dominant player in the market. This, along with the growing demand for sustainable energy solutions, provides a solid foundation for Tesla's continued growth and success. Second, Tesla's financial standing and anticipated revenue growth are an additional convincing argument for why the business is a fantastic investment opportunity in light of the rising demand for electric vehicles over the past few years. The company has continuously exceeded expectations and produced good financial performance. Helping to make this success possible, analysts anticipate that this rising trend will continue, with revenue growth in the upcoming years projected to be strong. And number 3, apart from its financial achievements, sold the majority of the client's Tesla equity to raise money for the business's $44 billion acquisition of Twitter. Due to his political tweets and memes, as well as his leadership style, venture had generated substantial unease among Tesla investors since going public in 2010. Some have even called for him to leave the social network firm. Bearish calls were made public 2 months ago, which rendered the stock's fundamentals weak. Analysts have remarked that Tesla stock may benefit from Musk's commitment to step down as Twitter CEO once a replacement is chosen. But Newton believes that the current sell-off is the company's worst. If 2022 showed us anything months ago, it's that Wall Street's worst mistake, buying dips on anything that's down 50%, isn't always a smart approach in a bear market. Tesla presents a compelling investment opportunity due to several other aspects. Further, Tesla's dedication to sustainability fits with a growing trend among consumers and businesses to prioritize environmentally friendly products. The company's expenditures in R&D and its continuous focus on innovation position it well for long-term success. This concludes my explanation for my recent and ongoing optimism about Tesla's investment, even though I'm not sure how long this high price will last. I've bought multiple shares and plan to keep doing so because shipments are expected in the first quarter at the current stock price and the merchandise is excellent. Do you think I'm making a mistake, or do you think I'm doing this correctly? Please share your thoughts in the comments section, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Watch this space for the upcoming video.